Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Discover the latest agricultural machinery, from the H4 Refinator rock remover to multi-one mini loaders, and learn how they enhance farm productivity and efficiency. The VTN MT20 is an agricultural machine used for soil cultivation and land preparation. It features a powerful engine and durable design, making it ideal for tilling and aerating the soil. The MT20 improves soil structure, promoting better crop growth and increasing farm productivity. It is essential for efficient farming operations. The DM30XC Epiroc is an advanced drilling rig used in agriculture for precise soil sampling and land preparation. Its powerful engine and efficient hydraulic system enable deep and accurate drilling. The machine is designed for high productivity, ensuring optimal soil conditions for irrigation and crop growth, enhancing farm efficiency. The Holzel XXL is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for large-scale land preparation and soil cultivation. It is used for tasks like plowing, tilling, and mixing soil. With its robust construction and powerful engine, the Holzel XXL ensures efficient and precise work, improving soil quality and enhancing crop production on farms. The RMV is an agricultural machine used for efficient soil preparation, particularly for tilling and cultivating. It helps improve soil structure by breaking up compacted layers, allowing better water absorption and root growth. The RMV enhances productivity on farms by ensuring optimal conditions for planting and promoting healthier crops. The LRC semi-trailer conveyors are agricultural machines designed for transporting bulk materials like grains, fertilizers, and other crops. These conveyors provide efficient, high-capacity movement, reducing manual labor. Their semi-trailer design allows for easy mobility and quick unloading, enhancing productivity on farms and ensuring faster, smoother material handling processes. The Cricker Picker Rotary Rock Picker is an agricultural machine designed to efficiently remove rocks and debris from fields. It uses rotating tines to lift and collect rocks, preventing damage to equipment and crops. This machine improves soil quality and enhances the overall efficiency of farming operations by creating a cleaner field. The Concrete Shears Genius is an agricultural machine used for precise cutting and handling of concrete materials in construction projects, often found in farming infrastructure like silos or barns. Its sharp, durable blades allow for efficient demolition and material processing, improving productivity and ensuring safe, accurate operations on farm construction sites. The OFI London Double Stack Container Super B Double Scale is an agricultural transport machine designed to carry heavy loads. It features a double stack container system, improving efficiency in transporting bulk materials like crops and equipment across farms. Done. The Aljon is an agricultural machine designed for handling and processing materials like crops or waste. It efficiently compresses and sorts materials, enhancing productivity and reducing labor costs in farming operations. Dual-powered road trains are agricultural transport machines designed to carry heavy loads efficiently across farms. They use both diesel and electric power, providing flexibility and improving fuel efficiency during long-distance material transport. Done. The Seppi and Midi Soil is an agricultural machine designed for soil tilling and land preparation. It efficiently grinds and mulches soil, clearing debris and improving soil structure for better crop growth. The Bobcat Sand Cleaner is an agricultural machine designed for cleaning and maintaining sand areas, such as horse arenas or beaches. It efficiently removes debris, rocks, and weeds, ensuring smooth and clean sand surfaces. This machine helps improve the quality of sand, creating safer environments for animals and increasing operational efficiency. The JCB HTD5 is a compact and versatile agricultural machine used for lifting and transporting materials. Its compact design and powerful engine make it ideal for working in tight spaces, providing high efficiency in tasks like handling feed, equipment, and small-scale material movement on farms. The Fractum Hammer Model 100 is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for breaking hard soil, rocks, and other tough materials. It uses high-impact force to fracture compacted surfaces, improving land preparation and making it ideal for mining and agricultural applications requiring tough material handling. The Cerberus is an agricultural machine designed for land cultivation and soil preparation. It efficiently tills the soil, breaking up compacted layers, which improves soil aeration and enhances crop growth. This machine is ideal for large-scale farming operations, increasing productivity and reducing manual labor. The MFT-240 firefighting truck is an agricultural emergency vehicle used for controlling fires on farms and rural areas. Equipped with a powerful pump and large water tank, it efficiently fights fires, protecting crops, equipment, and property from damage, ensuring safety in agricultural operations. The Ducker ledge cutter is an agricultural machine used for trimming and cutting ledges, shrubs, and overgrown vegetation. It features a powerful cutting mechanism, making it ideal for maintaining clean, accessible farm boundaries and preventing the growth of unwanted plants that could hinder agricultural operations. The HEM 593 or Cobra is an agricultural machine used for soil tilling and land preparation. Its powerful engine and robust design enable efficient plowing, improving soil structure for better crop yield and farm productivity. The Toro Dingo TX 1300 compact tract is a versatile agricultural machine designed for various tasks, including lifting, digging, and hauling. Its tract design ensures stability and mobility on rough terrain, improving efficiency in farm operations. The TP470 Varioary is an agricultural machine designed for efficient wood processing and chipping. It features advanced technology, allowing for precise cutting and processing of tree trunks, improving farm management and wood handling efficiency. The attachable log splitter for Avant Mini Loader is a versatile tool used for splitting logs efficiently. It attaches easily to the Avant loader, allowing for quick and powerful log splitting, ideal for agricultural and forestry tasks. The FMG Tractor Trailed Grader is an agricultural machine designed for land leveling and grading. It is attached to a tractor, using its blade to smooth and shape soil, improving field preparation for planting and ensuring better drainage and irrigation across agricultural lands. The Chemrock EK140 is an efficient agricultural machine designed for trenching and soil excavation. Equipped with a powerful cutting system, it is ideal for tasks like digging irrigation channels and installing pipes. Its precision and durability make it essential for improving land management and optimizing agricultural operations. The Rescue Vehicle LUF is an agricultural emergency vehicle designed for rapid response in farming areas. It is equipped with firefighting and rescue tools, making it ideal for handling emergencies such as fires or accidents, ensuring safety and quick intervention on farms and rural locations. The Mulog Eco 1200 Plus mower is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient grass and vegetation cutting. Its robust build and powerful performance make it ideal for large-scale mowing tasks, improving land management and enhancing crop yield by maintaining clean, well-managed fields. The Liboe 8520 is an agricultural machine used for road maintenance and land leveling. Its precision and powerful engine make it ideal for grading, ensuring smooth, well-prepared surfaces for farming operations and infrastructure projects. The C912S crawler dump truck is an agricultural machine designed for transporting heavy loads across rough terrains. Its track design ensures stability and mobility, making it ideal for hauling materials like soil, rocks, and crops on farms. The Equipter 4000 towable is an agricultural machine designed for efficient and versatile use in farm operations. It can be easily towed by tractors and is ideal for tasks like landscaping, mulching, and debris removal. Its high lift capacity and maneuverability make it perfect for working on uneven terrain, improving productivity. The Moorbark 6400 XT is a high-performance wood chipper designed for heavy-duty forestry and agricultural tasks. It efficiently processes large logs and debris, reducing them to mulch or wood chips. Its powerful engine and durable construction make it ideal for clearing land, managing wood waste, and improving farmland preparation. The Westech Woodcracker C550 is an agricultural machine used for processing large logs and trees. It efficiently splits and cracks wood, making it ideal for forestry and land clearing operations. Its powerful hydraulic system and durable design ensure fast and precise work, improving productivity in wood processing and agricultural land management.